So it seems Tesla's not alone in the fact that some people are confused whether these are motorcycles or cars. As it seems this guy actually thought maybe it was a bicycle or a skateboard or something. I don't quite know what he was thinking. I don't know if he does either. But anyway, this is what I experienced the one day driving the Teslas. Ran into one of these little Can Am things, and it kept changing from a motorcycle to a car. There's a car and a motorcycle. Motorcycle's inside the car. Oh, now it's back. Motorcycle inside of car. I get to go back to car. There it is. Think it's car. Oh, back motor. Oh, back to car. So let me know which one you think it is. Is it a motorcycle? Is it a car? Is it a bicycle? A skateboard? I don't know. Let's figure it out.